Welcome to our tutorial on how to make delicious gingerbread cookies for the holiday season. To start, you will need the following ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. 1 large egg. 1/2 cup of molasses. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg, then add in the molasses and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until well combined. Divide the dough in half and wrap each half in plastic wrap. Refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour, or until it is firm enough to roll out. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a gingerbread man cookie cutter to cut out the shapes and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 8–10 minutes, or until they are lightly golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For an extra special touch, try decorating your gingerbread cookies with royal icing or colored sugar. These cookies make a festive and delicious treat for the holiday season. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make delicious gingerbread cookies for the holiday season. Happy baking!